Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and Merry Christmas. I am having such fun with the collab that JayDollsUK, Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Powley, and Beth Ramsden and I put together, where we sent one another 8 gifts each. 3 times 8 is 24, which gave us an Advent calendar to go from December 1st through Christmas Eve. And I've been opening these items up each day, and I'm excited to reach in again. Let's see if I can get one from Beth. All right. I put all of them in, let's see if that's leaning. I don't want to knock everything over. Put them all in a jar to make it look like a little Advent calendar. You know how you have the boxes for Barbie and all that? I put them in a jar. May not be the best, but still cute. These ladies have handcrafted a lot of stuff. Oh my goodness, this is so much fun. I'm really excited about that. I call it a wave from Florida of the ocean from Tammy. And as I look, this is also from Tammy. Look at that top. Now, I don't know, coincidence or not? Knowing Tammy, no, not a coincidence, but how cute would that be for an 18-inch doll? Really cute. Oh, Beth's got, oh gosh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Now, you know, Beth put these together. She handcrafted that. Oh yeah, she's just incredible with that kind of stuff. She also did these. If I had a room for my Blythes, it would be decorated. Oh, oh, oh. I was saying...
You have a house for your Blythe.
I know, I have them everywhere. That's why I don't have doll house. Actually, I do have doll houses, but not up. Again, I want to remind everyone, when you open your Christmas gifts this year, open them slow. Pull the tape as well as you can to get them open, because inside is a doll crafter's dream. Graft paper, and you can find all kinds of patterns online that use graft paper, and you can reproduce those patterns and use them for your dolls. Even small pieces like these are worthy of keeping, and if you open it up neater, you could also reuse that paper. Be nice to the environment. Please visit Tammy, Beth, and Jay's channels and see what they're opening today. We are just having a ton of Christmas fun. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.